So we can go ahead and run one of the basic pipeline examples, which is the detection simple IUSB. It says with almost 89% certainty that I am a person. And if I move this over to the left and bring over the console a little bit to the right, we can see how fast these frames are coming by. And we see how low latency it is based on, as I talk and everything else like that, it still looks pretty close to real time. Even though it's displaying it, processing it and coming up with the overlay over top of it, it's still showing us, that it is adding a lot of capability. So if we were to face this over towards the cat, we could see that it has good confidence that there's a cat and a bed. So we can see that there's a person, a cat, and a bed in this frame. So it's able to detect, if an animal is going to go into their bed, it could kind of define what exactly they're doing and everything else like that. So instead of having a motion sensor or something else like that, if you want a light to be able to activate only when there's a person present and not when there's animals or other things present, you could be able to use something like this to be able to do that just based on whether you see a detection of person with a certain amount of confidence detected. And I think that that's something that's going to definitely make it very powerful for just using in general projects without having to do a huge lift to be able to kind of bring these things up from scratch.